direct setup. We call it direct because we can attach the hooks directly to lifting points already assembled on the load. Those can be lifting eyes like these here, but it might as well be a sling like this one, very frequently used in wood construction, for example. Either way, the setup is really simple. All we need to do is lock the LUDWIG hook and then attach it to the point of attachment on both sides. As you see, we chose here a setup of 2 hooks. So we could be simulating the lifting of a wall element. And all we need to do is then lift the load, bring it to the desired position, set it down, and then release by radio. I can here also show the individual release by color code. So by using the combination of the blue button, I will just release the blue hook and the red hook stays attached. And then we release the red hook in a second step. Or obviously the most frequent way of releasing is the all color release. So we might as well be using the all color button up here and then with the 2 button setup, release both at a time. As I said, this works with those eyes, but it works just as well with slings. You see, even if there is a sling attached to the load, we can fully detach the load from the sling and set the load free.